evening, everyone. I'm Linda Hurtado.
And I'm Haley Hines. Thanks for joining us. First at 5, testimony is wrapping up in the trial of a woman accused in a hit and run that killed a Bradenton man known by neighbors as the Peace Walker. One of the victim's sons took the stand today as prosecutors tried to prove Teresa Zeppi knew she'd hit someone that night and drove away anyway. Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer has been following the trial from the Manatee County Courthouse.
He was a very hard worker, provided for his family, loved his family very much, and loved being outdoors, as my brother had stated earlier, and loved to do his walks on a daily basis.
Joseph Draylis Sr. was on one of his daily walks in 2020 when, according to Manatee County prosecutors, Teresa Zeppi crashed into him and kept going. She was arrested 2 years later. Testimony from one of Draylis' sons started day 3 of Zeppi's trial. Christopher Draylis said he collected his father's DNA for investigators from a toothbrush and hairbrush.
Initially, I was going to provide them his ashes, but I was told that the DNA wasn't able to, they weren't able to get DNA from ashes.
An FDLE expert testified she matched Draylis' DNA to DNA found on Zeppi's SUV.
The swabs from the hood slash fender, the swabs from the headlight, and the swabs from the passenger side bumper all had DNA.
Investigators say Zeppi was recorded stopping 500 feet down the road to check for damage before driving off. Her attorney says she was actually checking for damage from a fender bender she was in earlier that same day. The defense then called their own crash reconstruction expert, who said he believes Florida Highway Patrol investigators identified the wrong vehicle.
In my opinion, in this particular case, is this Lincoln Navigator was not the vehicle that struck Mr. Draylis.
And why is that?
Primarily the lack of damage to the vehicle, especially in the areas that I would expect to see them, knowing the type of injuries that Mr. Draylis sustained.
The defense is trying to sow enough doubt in the state's story that jurors have to find Zeppi not guilty. In Manatee County, Aaron Mesmer, Fox 13 News.